Okay, so let's take it a step further. So what we want to do now is take a look at what a web shell looks like. So as I've already mentioned, using Metasploitable 2, and Metasploitable 2 uses PHP. And as we have already seen that web shells can be written in different programming languages, depending on the web server that you are targeting or the web application that you are targeting. So in this case, it's PHP. So I would like to take a look at what a PHP web shell looks like. So again, this is how you would go about it if you are learning web shells. You can simply Google PHP web shells. Let's see what comes out. We have a lot of information that comes out. I just want to let's see. Let's see. Maybe we should say PHP web shell example. So let's see what it looks like. PHP web shell example. Hold on. I'm just going to click here. So let's take a look at Akinetics, how they've, if they have any examples of web shells. So we can see an example of a PHP web shell here. So it's written in PHP, and as we can see, we have the open tags, open PHP tags, and the close tags for PHP. And then we are utilizing this system function. So this is a PHP function that is actually used to, that can be used to run shell commands. So you can use this system function to run shell commands on the web server. So on the web server that you have your PHP application or your PHP web server, once you have a web shell like this on that web server, through this function, you can actually execute this command. You can actually execute this command on your on a vulnerable application, provided that you have already found some way of uploading this web shell or of running this web shell. I think it will be beneficial for us to take a look at the PHP system function, just to get more information about how a PHP function works, right? So let's take a look at how a PHP function works. It's very good to be able to Google because that is how you can learn. So as you can see, the PHP function, this system function, it executes an external program and display the output. So if you upload a web shell on a vulnerable application that you've already exploited, and you apply a command, it will execute that command and it will display the output back to you. So we can see, let's just scroll down here. So we can see the parameters. So it's in terms of the parameters that should be supplied, the commands that should be executed, and of course you get the result once that command has been executed. and we have examples here. So this will execute the list command, and it should list the commands from the directory in which that web shell is actually being executed. So what we're going to try and do is to actually write our own PHP web shell. We can simply copy and paste these and upload them and execute, but we are going to write our own PHP web shell and upload it on an application that we have already identified exploitable vulnerabilities or that we already have access, right? Access, which can be through a file upload, remote file inclusion. So that is what we're going to do